Welcome to the Foundry of Ideas, a woodworking channel focused on smart, space-saving builds for small shops. Here, you'll find tool upgrades, clever jigs, and beginner-friendly projects designed to improve your workflow without taking over your workspace. Whether you're working in a garage or a corner of a basement, every project is designed with practicality and performance in mind. Here's what's wrong in my shop: it is relatively small. So I built all of my projects, which are really cool things, with space utilization as the most important factor, because I have to overcome space limitations. If you watch my videos, you'll see that they all do more than you'd expect. The projects I make are DIY tools that are easy to replicate, so you can build them and use them in your own workshop organization and workflow. Other projects explain in detail and step-by-step how to set up a piece of equipment so that it works safely and properly to your advantage. In quite a few cases, I will take a piece of equipment and improve it. In this instance, I built a mobile base for my table saw, and so I made it easy to move to different parts of the workshop to suit my requirements. You can watch the project I build and make one for yourselves, because I explain everything I do. Welcome to the Foundry of Ideas, where we cover small shop organization, the big solutions, the DIY tools and tool upgrades that you can build. We show you the jigs that save time and improve accuracy. These are the smart jigs that can do more for you. Our builds are clean with a pro finish, even a beginner can make. We always bring beginner builds that produce the pro results you want. You will love the projects we present here because you can make them yourselves. They are clever and easy, and we do explain every step of the build. So do subscribe and click the bell button. We shall show you how you can turn your workspace into a foundry of ideas. See you in our next project.